Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and listen music offline on Spotify application from your mobile device. As we all know, Spotify offline listening mode is only available for premium subscribers. So if you need to download Spotify songs for offline enjoying, you will need to upgrade to Spotify premium account. It will cost you $9.99 per month. This means free users cannot download Spotify songs for offline playback. So for the free account users, you can only download podcast. So watch this video till the end to know how you can download and listen to music on Spotify offline. In order to do that, go to Spotify application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Once you're inside your Spotify application, go to what you want to download. Now you can't download individual songs, but you can put them in the playlist and download the playlist. Now go to the particular song you want to download and tap onto the three horizontal dots. Once you tap on it, you'll be given various of options. Go and tap on download. Once you do that, it will be added to your episodes. So go to your library in order to open the episodes. Once you land onto your library page, go to podcast and shows. Now you need to go and open the tab named your episode. In here you can see your downloaded episodes. So now turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data and go to your particular music or podcast, then tap on it. And if you want to continue listening to it, tap on play. Now you can see that you can continue listening to your offline music or podcasts. So this was the easiest way to download music or podcast for offline on your Spotify application. And thanks for watching the video guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.